Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the time on your iPhone manually if it's not correct or you just want a different time. So let's get started. By default, the time on your iPhone is actually automatically loaded based on the time zone in the area that you're in, which happens by going to the setting of your iPhone. And if you have your privacy and location setting, and if you turn on your location setting, automatically it should go ahead and update your time if you're connected to internet or cellular data. But in a case, let's say your time is incorrect or you just want to change it to a different time, how can you do that? Well, it's going to be really simple. In your setting of your iPhone, just go to general here, and then you'll see there's an option for date and time. So we'll click on that, and now it is automatically set by default, as I mentioned, based on your time zone. But if in a case that you do want to change it yourself, turn that off, and then you click on the time here, and then you can do two things. You can change the date as well, but if you want to just change the time, you can click on this and then adjust the time here as you like, and then the minute and the hour, and then PM or AM. And as you do that, you can just set that, and then once you do that, as you can see here, the time has changed now. You can go back, and this is going to be the new reflective time. And later on, if you do want to go back to automatic, which is going to be the best one, because you don't want the phone to have the wrong time, because a lot of phones with the wrong time, a lot of services will stop working correctly. So have it be automatic. It will turn back to the original time, or the time that it should be for that time zone. So I hope this quick little video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.